Previously. Here's the Stranger Things Tales from 85 activity book from the McDonald's Happy Meal promotion. Let's open it up and take a quick look inside. Right away, the design follows the Stranger Things theme with recognizable visuals. Let's flip through the pages. You can see a mix of layouts and printed details throughout the book. This is just a preview, but it gives a good idea of what's included. Overall, it's a straightforward addition to the Stranger Things 85 lineup. Let me know what you think. Next time! Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And see you on the next one.